Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and today we are going to cover topic number 1.4, division of integers. We have four rules in multiplication, that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus, then we have plus into minus is minus and minus into plus is minus. That is, if same sign then it is plus, and if we have different sign then we have minus. We have same four rules in division, and let us take four examples, that is 18 divided by 3, minus 18 divided by 3, 18 divided by minus 3, minus 18 divided by minus 3. We have both the signs positive, that is plus and plus, so we have plus into plus is plus, and 18 divided by 3 is 6. We have both the signs minus, that is minus 18 minus 3, so we have plus, that is minus into minus is plus, 18 divided by 3 is 6. We have minus 18 divided by 3, that is minus into plus is minus, 18 divided by 3 is 6, and we have 18 divided by minus 3, that is plus into minus is minus, 18 divided by 3 is 6. If we observe here, that is plus into plus and minus into minus have same value, so we can write for any integers a comma b, we can write a divided by b equals to minus a divided by minus b. And if we observe here that plus into minus is minus, so if we put negative sign in numerator or denominator, we have the same answer. So we can write that for integers c comma d, we can write minus c divided by d, that is equals to c divided by minus d. These are the two properties of the division of integers. Now let us see the theory part. We have 3 into 5, that is equals to 15. 3 into 5 is 15. If we send 5 to denominator, we will get 3 equals to 15 divided by 5. If we send 5 in denominator, we will get 15 divided by 5, that is equals to 3. And if we send 3 to denominator, we get 15 divided by 3 equals to 5. If we fill this table, that is 2 into minus 6, we get minus 12. So if we send minus 6 to denominator, we will get minus 12 divided by minus 6 equals to 2. And if we send 2 into denominator, we will get minus 12 divided by 2, that is equals to 6. Similarly, if we fill for the third, that is if we send minus 9 to denominator, we will get minus 8 in the answer. And if we set minus 8 into denominator, we will get minus 9 as answer. If we see here that minus into minus is plus, and 3 sevens are 21, and if we send minus 3 into denominator, we get minus 7 as answer. And if we send minus 7 into denominator, we will get minus 3 as answer. Similarly, for all, we have seen these two properties, that is plus into minus is minus and minus into plus is minus. Both the answers are same, so we can put negative sign in numerator or denominator. Both the answers will be same. Similarly, for same sign, that is plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is also plus. So if we put both the signs negative or both the signs positive, we get the answer same. Now let us solve. Try this. First question is minus 100 divided by 5. Second, minus 81 divided by 9. And third, minus 75 divided by 5. And fourth, minus 32 divided by 2. If we observe in these four questions, we have negative in the numerator, positive in the denominator. So we will get minus into plus as minus. So we have all the answers negative. 100 divided by 5, 81 divided by 9, 75 divided by 5, and 32 divided by 2. Now let us solve next. Try this. One 25 divided by minus 25. Then we have 80 divided by minus 5. And third, we have 64 divided by minus 16. If we observe, we have positive in the numerator, negative in the denominator. So we get plus into minus as minus. So all the answers are negative. And 125 divided by 25 is 5. Then we have 80 divided by 5 and 64 divided by 16. Let us solve this. Try this. If we observe in these three questions, that is, we have numerator negative, denominator negative, we have minus into minus is plus, so all the answers are positive. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 201 divided by 3 and 325 divided by 13 is 25. In next lecture, we will see topic number 1.5, properties of division of integers. Thank you.